Are you struggling to keep track of all the things going on in your business, your life? Oh my God, there's so many things, there's so many tools, you got Post-it notes everywhere. Does this sound like you? I've been there. I know what it's like to try and run a business and organize all of the things in your life and business when you got all these different tools and you got Google calendars and you got notes and you got pieces of paper. What if there was a way for you to organize all of this information in one place in a specific and concise way? Hi, my name is Bonitatibus, owner and founder of Digital Champions, and today we're doing a video a little differently than other videos in the past based on just requests and conversations that I've had with clients. I use this amazing software to organize my life and my business, and I think it's incredible, and I think other people should start using it too. And so the more people I talk to, I realize, oh, wow, there's actually a great need for this content, and so I'm gonna show you how. And so we're gonna switch over from me talking on the screen. I'm actually gonna go over and do a screen recording so you can see this tool. The tool is called Notion, but I'm gonna show you how you can organize your entire life and business into this one platform so that everything's in one place. And I'm talking everything from, birthdays that you may have of family members, to referral partners, to SOPs within your business, to your task list. The list goes on, and once you have everything in one place and you see it, you're going to see all that it can do and how much better you're going to feel. And the best way to kind of showcase what this is basically your second brain. You're taking all the things in your brain and you're putting it into this app. And guess what? It's free. So let's dive in. And so I tried to do a really quick version of this because I didn't want this to be really long. Obviously, I could spend a lot of time. I could go through a lot of different pages. And so I do this with some of my clients that want to learn more about leveraging and utilizing Notion. But I wanted to just do a kind of quick overview of some of the different ways that I'm using it, because I think it's a really powerful tool. And just being able to create a second brain and put all the things, all of your notes, all of these different information all in one place. And, I'm a firm believer that adopting in technology and really leveraging these tools becomes super powerful. And I happen to like Notion. That's what I use. There are other ones out there, but this is the one that I like using, and really just, again, organizing all of these things in your brain and putting it all in one place to make your life easy and create this second brain. So hope this episode helps. I know it has nothing to do with, home care marketing or anything, but I know a lot of people have asked me, hey, how are you using this? What are you doing? Where do you do this? And so I thought it'd be fun to make a quick little video about it. Hope this helps. And if you have any questions, post comments below. Be happy to answer any questions to facilitate and help you to build out your own Notion, because it is really powerful. I love it, and I think you'll love it too. Have a good one. So if you like this video and you want to learn more about how you can leverage amazing tools like this to really get greater results in your life and business, be sure to schedule a call with me today by going to thedigitalchamps.com/connect. And we look forward to talking with you real soon.